So this one. Guess what?
What?
This one. This kind.
Does that sit on there okay? Does it hook up to your locomotive? Have you checked?
Oh, these don't.
They don't hook up to your locomotive? Why not? Nice. Beautiful.
And these also fit on these tracks because these.
That's the same gauge, those two kinds of tracks. But what about the locomotive you have over there? Does it fit on that guy?
I didn't check the locomotive. But I checked.
Give it a shot. See if it connects.
But I checked these guys.
See if those new train cars connect to the locomotive. That fits on that track, totally.
But these. Well, you have to have this on here no matter what, or else it definitely won't fit. Because this is a special couple that can only couple to here.
Oh,
This is the
interesting.
only couple that can couple to here.
I see. Gotcha.
Well, the truth is, the truth is, this one, this kind fits on this truck,
Yeah.
and this kind fits on this truck too.
Are you excited about the new trains? They look pretty cool. You got a lot, huh? What is that one? It has lumber on it?